Hi everybody. So Stephen King just released a new novel. It's called Fairy Tale and I got it here, so let's just do an unboxing video right away. Let's see here. Let's open it up. Really excited about this one. Yeah, I also ordered Stephen Fry's book, The Stars Tennis Balls. Yeah, that's cool. But okay, let's take a look at it. Here we go. Stephen King, Fairy Tale, one of the greatest storytellers of our time, says The Guardian. Yep. Let's get a closer look here. There we go. Let's get it in focus here. There we go. Okay, here's the back. I reached the opening and saw the ceiling overhead was now earth, with fine tendrils of root dangling down. I ducked under some overhanging vines and stepped out onto a sloping hillside. I said, okay, this looks exciting. Here's the inside. Let's look at the first page here. Yeah, here's the font. The same font and writing, etc. like Billy Summers, his previous novel. Okay, here's the book without the dust jacket. Okay, the spine here is actually not the title of the book. It's actually what's on the back here, I think. When he spoke, it was again hard to believe that I hadn't stepped into a storybook and become one of the characters. Okay, I want you to see this. Let's just zoom in on this. Can you see that? Let's see here. So you can see what it says. Might be hard to read though. So. There maybe? Yeah. Alright. So looks the cover again. There's his usual picture. Yep. Yeah, that's it. Looking forward to reading it. Okay, take care guys. Bye.